So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video for you. I just received my design team package from Wild Whisper, and I thought I would, hold on a second. I thought I would go ahead and show you what I got. So some of the items in this package were items I requested. Some of the items in this package are items that the girls put in for me to play with. So we have a nice kind of cross-section of fun products. So let's go ahead and go through them. First thing is lots of 6x6 paper pads. So these are all of Pam Bray's paper pads. Kind of flick through them for you. So this one's Nature's Bliss. These are really, really pretty patterns. I actually have this, well, I have some of this collection in 12x12, but having it in 6x6 is really fun for some cards. So, yeah, I think we're definitely going to make some cards. Like ones like this where you can kind of cut them down. Quick, easy card because you've already got some of the decor you need. You can just kind of set in a sentiment. So these are all kind of naturey, fun 6x6. The next one we have is this watercolor 6x6 pad. And I'll go ahead and flick through that one quick. Again, really pretty colors, really pretty backgrounds. This would be, I also have this one in 12x12. This would be super fun to cut into shapes, kind of create your own mixed media background using elements from these papers and then also elements like paint or splatters or things. So the next one we have, this is the fall Halloween pack. Some of these I won't be using, but some of them I will. So we'll kind of go through this and see what is in here. So this one, definitely usable for me. Beautiful, I love that. This one is super cute. Love the pumpkins. We have sunflowers. You know how much I love, love, love. My sunflowers. This one's gonna go. Yeah, so is that one. And that one. Okay, but we have enough fall here. We'll be fine. Okay, this one is the Winter and Christmas 6x6 paper pad. Again, won't be using all of these, but I'll flick through them. So, this one's usable for me. So is that one. That one's beautiful. I love that. And this one's super pretty, and I love this one too. So we have lots of 6x6 paper pads that I can play with for the next couple of months. I believe we'll probably be able to kill quite a few of these pretty well. Okay, then we have stamps. You know I love my stamps. So we have Nicole Wright Designs Birch Bark Stamp, which is stunning. It looks like, well, it looks like a tree, like bark. Really pretty. It's a nice big 6x6 stamp. Super fun. This is another 6x6 one. This is from Pam Bray also. This is the Carefree Stamp. And this one I am so excited to use. I am going to have so much fun with this stamp set. Wait until you see what I do with it. I have plans. This is one of the ones I requested, and I'm super excited to play with it. Another thing that I requested was the Pam Bray Designs Carefree. Now, I got the 1 pack of double pack paper and 1 pack of single pack paper. There is a reason for that. Because I am a paper girl and I wanted to make sure that I had as many papers as I needed to be able to fussy cut a bunch of these papers. So each of the papers here, I'm sorry if there is background noise. I'm having dog issues and children issues as I try to do this unboxing for you guys, but I really, really want to get it done and up. So we're gonna go with a little bit of background noise. So I ended up that I will have 3 of each of these designs, and that way I can pull aside a couple of them and use them to fussy cut. Okay, so I'm gonna pop into this one. And as I go through, I'm gonna set aside the ones that I wanna sit and fussy cut, because there's a lot of really, really great patterns in this pack. So this one is beautiful. And again, super excited that I have 2 of them, because this is a fabulous background, but it would also be fabulous kind of cut up. One of the things I love, love, love about Wild Whisper Designs paper packs is that they do this. So this one is it's the same kind of thick paper that they use for all of their papers. And the back of it is always a beautiful pattern that you can use. Okay, so this one has these beautiful kind of paisley shapes on one side, and then this really kind of cool orangey mixed media background on the other side. And again, totally want to fussy cut these elements and use them as die cuts. We have this one, which has these beautiful fall leaves on one side, and again, just a beautiful kind of solid, fun background on the other side. And again, we're gonna fussy cut this side. Now these papers are super bright, but that just means that a little bit of them goes a long way, especially when you have all of these beautiful things that you can fussy cut. And I love, 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 love sitting and fussy cutting. So this one is this gorgeous floral. Again, this floral, fussy cut. And then the back is this wonderful kind of bluey greeny background. So what we have here is we have definite like bright bold sides that we can then fussy cut, and then the other side are nice beautiful watercolor patterns. Again, this one so pretty. So I want to fussy cut these orangey flowers, and normally I would be like but nope, we're good. Doesn't matter, because I have 3 of these sheets of paper. So I can come through in here and fussy cut these orange flowers. And if all I fussy cut are the orange flowers, that's okay. And then the back is this crazy plaid pattern. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this crazy plaid pattern, but we're going to fussy cut the orange flowers over here. Okay, I love this paper with all of my heart. And I am so happy I have 3 of them, because this paper is stunning. Look at it. I love the colors. It's so beautiful. It looks just divine. I love it. And then the back is this like grid pattern, very brightly colored, lots of uses for it. Again, a little goes a long way. So punching it, die cutting it, those are the kinds of things we're going to be doing with these brighter papers. That one is gorgeous. Okay, so this is the next one. This is one side. Beautiful background, ready to use. Just, pop your photo here, maybe add some popped up elements to kind of flesh this out a little bit, give it some dimension. Title, done. The other side is a beautiful cut apart sheet that has lots of elements to be able to fussy cut and cut together. I love this one because we can add some journaling to it. Here is that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous marble again that I am obsessed with. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and fussy cut this because we're gonna cut the blocks. And then there's also like a little border piece. And then we have the same, and here we are again with the same ones again. So I have 3 of these, which means I can fussy cut those. And then I have 2 more of each of these more kind of quieter patterns. I'm gonna call them quieter. And this one's getting fussy cut too. And then this one I have this side that I can use. So I have 3 of each of these. So I can fussy cut those papers that I set aside. I have these that I can use as backgrounds. And then I have one more pack that allows me to mix and match, die cut, add photo mats, all of those really fun things, which makes me super happy because I feel like with my Wild Whisper packs, I have I always feel like I have to make tough decisions, and I didn't want to make tough decisions with this collection. I just wanted to play with it. So that is what we are going to do. And yes, oh, you guys, that paper might be the reason why I was like, I want 3, please. This one and this background, I just adore. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to kind of organize these. And this gives you an idea of how I'm going to kind of do these. So this one's going to get fussy cut again. We're going to keep this as a background. And then these 3 I'm going to keep for photo mats or die cutting or whatever. And the same with these. You know what? I'm fussy cutting that one too, because I can. So I am going to have so much fun playing with this line. I might even start this coming Monday. I might kind of just, I know, I pulled for my January products. I pulled that Canadian winter kit, and I said I was going to use it all. I said I was going to use it for my Wild Whisper projects. But then this came, and now I'm like, eh. So we'll see how much fussy cutting I get done over the weekend. If I can get enough fussy cutting done, we are using these for Monday. Actually, you know what? No, we are using this on Monday because I have a plan for the stamp set, so we're gonna do this one on Monday. All right, you guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see you all again tomorrow for Laura's Sketches Reimagined. And then I also have a Traveler's Notebook spread coming up on Thursday. So you guys have some nice block of videos here. Oh, hi Fitz. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Oh, guys, I almost forgot. Okay, don't forget that you can grab all of these beautiful products in the Wild Whisper shop. You can grab them using my discount code, which will be down below. I think some of these Carefree papers are, if you're in the US, I think some of these Carefree products are still in stock at a cherry on top. Maybe. And maybe some of these 2 stamps. I think these 2 stamps might be. And the rest are over on the Wild Whisper website. So, well, they're all on the Wild Whisper website, of course. But if you're in the US and you want to save a bit on shipping, you can get some of these at a cherry on top. But you can use my code in the Wild Whisper shop and get all of them. So it's really up to you. All right, guys, I am going to go play. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye.